your audience. And there you go, guys. I'm telling you, this works like magic. We're gonna jump back into our magic tool. Come along. My entire script formula, step by step, is inside the Content Bootcamp, but today I'm giving you a hack that is going to work for anyone making videos. Are you ready? We all know that the biggest drop-off moment happens right at the beginning of a YouTube video. So your thumbnail already passed that test. People want to click on it. Now they're coming onto your video. Now is the time to pass the next test, which is, am I interested in this? Did I click on this and am I going to get what I'm looking for inside this video, or am I just going to exit out? That is the biggest moment where people drop off. So what can you do in order to avoid that from happening? Well, you have to hook your audience and make sure that you are giving them exactly what they are expecting to get. Here's a little trick that we use with all of our agency clients. Use the word "you" at least 3 times in the beginning of a video. How can you do this? Well, ask a question, state something interesting. So a super interesting fact that is going to actually have them hooked. Do you guys remember back in those days when we would have to write essays at school where you had to make sure that the first sentence was a hook that would captivate the reader? That's exactly what you're doing inside your YouTube videos. But let's say you just aren't feeling the inspiration. You just can't think of a hook. Here's a little solution. Say hello to your new best friend, copy.ai. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down right here, and under social media content creation, we are going straight to the video intro hook. And guess what we're going to do? That's right. We're going to generate our video hook using this platform. This is my ultimate secret for when my creative juices just aren't flowing, because let's be honest, we all have those days. So for my next video, we're talking all about whether you should start a YouTube channel or a podcast, which I know is something that you guys are dying to know. So that is the main topic of my video. I went ahead, I added it into the spacebar. Let's see what hooks it generates. So we have here a list, and before you ask, this is not sponsored. This is literally what I use, and I know it's going to help you too. So let's see what we have here. Are you wondering, should I start a podcast or YouTube channel? That is one that I love. We're already using the word "you." You're asking a question. The audience behind the screen is saying, hey, yeah, that's actually what I'm wondering if I should do. That's one that I would definitely use. Let's see what else you have here. Do you want to start a YouTube channel or podcast but don't know what to make? Then this is for you. I love it. Let's say that we weren't as convinced with these results yet. If we do find one that kind of has an idea of what we want to do, all we have to do is click this make more button, and voila, it literally makes more, just like that previous result. So we have more just like the one that we just selected. If you want to start a YouTube channel but you don't know what to make, then this is for you. Are you eager to start a YouTube channel or podcast but have no ideas on what to talk about? And then look no further. And there you go, guys. I'm telling you, this works like magic. And just like that, we have our hook. The next thing you have to do in order to make sure that your YouTube video script is as juicy as can be is jump straight into your meat. Shout out to all the boot campers that know exactly what I'm talking about. Your meat is basically the value that you're giving in your video. The quicker you jump into it, the better for your audience. What does that mean? Say goodbye to the intros, to what I do, to who I am, to this and that. Leave it for the middle or the end and give the value that your audience is looking for. Because if they come into a video thinking, hey, how can I do this and this? Well, obviously they want to make sure that they are getting how to do this and this, okay? Also, it is so important for you to give examples as you explain your value. This helps the audience understand it and also maintain hooked into what you were talking about. It's a lot easier for us to understand with examples rather than just straight on with the normal subject. And last but not least, make sure that you are also always adding in sprinkling your personal touch to the video. You don't only want to give value, but you also want to be yourself, right? You don't just want to sit there and say, hey, number 1, do this in your video script, number 2, do this, and then number 3, summarize all your bullet points. No, you also want it to be an experience for the person behind the screen watching this video that you are about to create that is going to be an absolute banger. Another great thing to do is to summarize your points. This is a great thing to do more towards the end of the video, but make sure that you do it in plain English. And with that, we're gonna jump back into our magic tool. Come along. This time we're going all the way down in our menu, straight to the explain in plain English. I know we can all think of a handful of people that need this in their day-to-day lives because it's like they talk and you have no idea what they're saying, right? It's just like they don't get down to the point. This is exactly what this tool is for, and I personally love it to summarize those bullet points. So let's go ahead and write down what would you like to simplify. So let me add in all the bullet points of why you need a YouTube channel. All right, and let's hit create. So basically what I put down is starting a YouTube channel allows you to generate new clients, grow an audience, and position yourself as an expert. Ooh, starting a YouTube channel will give you lots of opportunities to make money. Yeah, basically. Let's see what else. It takes a lot of time to become well known on YouTube. You can use it to get new clients. Yes? Let's see. People like watching videos and people like learning things by watching videos. This platform lets you share your videos so other people can watch it. People will be able to learn from your videos. That makes you an expert. This is exactly why I love this platform. And let's say that we liked this one, but not necessarily we're a fan of this example particularly. All we have to do is click this make more button, and this handy dandy tool makes more of that example for us. So let's see the other results. This platform allows you to share your videos, making others wiser while you make money, okay? Watching videos can be fun. Watching your videos will teach people about stuff. Okay, so you can definitely get how useful this is, and it doesn't stop there. Let me show you another tool that I absolutely love that I think helps everyone in their videos, and that is right here under writing tools, the cliffhanger. Cliffhanger is basically for a moment in your video where you are taking the storyline plot and you want to build up that suspense. You want the audience to be on the edge of their seats wondering, okay, what's coming next in this video? And that's exactly why scripting is so important. So let's say here that our cliffhanger is benefits. All right, the benefits of a YouTube channel and podcast are completely different, and most people don't even know why. Let's see what copy AI can create for us. Ooh, what about this one? Why on earth would anyone want to make a YouTube channel or podcast? It's a good one. In fact, the benefits of a YouTube channel and podcast are completely different, and most people don't even know why they're doing it. If you decide to create a YouTube channel and podcast, the benefits of each is completely different, and most people don't even know why they are doing it. I think the main benefit of a YouTube channel is reaching an audience, doing interviews, telling stories, etc. But what about using it to make money? Ooh, that's a good one. Let's look at this one. I'm a big fan of the power of podcasts. I started a podcast at the beginning of this year and have been consistently adding content ever since. It's been fun and I have learned a lot from it, but at the same time, those are the types of moments in a video where you are literally there wanting more and wanting more. That's why it is so important to throw these into your video script so that you can build up that suspense. Remember that a binge-worthy video takes the audience through a story. It has a beginning, it has a middle, it has something that they have to overcome, and then it seals it all with a nice closing. And of course, now that we're talking all about closings, you know I cannot end a video talking about video scripts without adding what every video needs to have. And that's exactly why, of course, Copy AI had to have a call to action tool. And you know that we are total fans of adding in good call to actions in our videos. So let's see what it has to create for us. Under social media content creation, you can go to video call to action. Now, let's change this one for okay, this definitely sounds like something I have said in my previous videos. Download your free guide today to start growing your YouTube channel. Of course, we didn't give that. The more specific you go, the better results this will make for you. But let's say that we want to make more similar to that one, but something juicier, right? Let's make it as juicy as possible. Let's see what we have here. As a creator, it's not easy to know where to start with your YouTube page. So we wrote this guide for you full of the best practices that have helped all kinds of creators grow their channels. Love that. You're one step away from knowing what it takes to create and grow a tremendous YouTube channel and how to take advantage of the largest and most vital platform for businesses. I love that one, and hands down agree 100%. That is why you guys need to be creating juicy video scripts so that you can grow your YouTube channel along with it. Remember, a good video takes the audience through and has all these juicy moments that keep them hooked straight from the beginning, so there aren't no moments when the audience is dropping off. And it takes practice, but with tools like this, it definitely makes it a lot easier. So if you want to try it, I'm going to leave a link down below. Like I mentioned, guys, this is not sponsored. I use this tool. I love this tool. Gabe also is a tremendous fan of this tool. So it's a favorite for us, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So try it out, let me know what you think, and stay tuned because the next video is about to get so good that you cannot miss out. So ring that bell and I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next time. Bye guys.